And today, special thanks to my friends at this company who were nice enough to send me this 2-pack of 5-foot USB-C cables. Now, these are some exceptionally amazing cables. Let me explain. Now, not only do you get 2 of these, you got number 1, 2, nothing else in there. Never had a user's manual for cables. These cables have a few very unique features. Now, first off, as you can see, they include a little cable tie that has the company's info on it. And then you have a 5-foot USB-C cable. Now, you'll see on the end here, it shows 40. Now, you'll see on the end here, it shows, there we go. 40 gigabits, 240 watts. Now what that essentially means is that this cable connecting 2 devices like an SD drive or something like that could transfer data, as long as both devices support it, at 40 gigabytes per second. Now, this does support up to an 8K resolution, as well as 5K, 4K, dual 4K, etc. I did just notice the company logo there. That's pretty sweet. As I mentioned, power delivery 3.1 with 240 watts of fast charging. It makes this cable able to charge your devices at lightning speeds at up to 48 volts or 5 amps. And thanks to the eMarker chip that's included in here, inside this little cable is a standard power voltage supply to ensure that your devices are protected from overcharging or overheating. Now, it does have a nylon design for the Thunderbolt 4 cable that should exist wear and tear for a lifetime. Now, a lot of people wonder what's the real difference in like a Thunderbolt 4 cable and a USB-C cable. Essentially just the amount of power that it can deliver. At the end of the day, this will work with every USB-C device that you have, whether it's a phone, headphones, a laptop, an external monitor, whatever you're trying to use. This would be one of the best cables to use and would give you the absolute most power. So thanks again to this company here who was nice enough to send me this 2-pack of 5-foot nylon USB-C cables. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.